In a world where sustainability is not just an option but a mission, AUO is committed to pioneering green innovation that drives business forward. At our core, we strive to revolutionize green technologies to secure a sustainable future for our planet. Our AMLED technology offers superior energy efficiency through advanced local dimming. We provide lightweight, power-saving panels that greatly reduce carbon footprints. We are dedicated to helping our customers to bring their visions to life and creating cutting-edge green products. We enable our customers to launch carbon-neutral products harnessing advanced LTPS technology, with display panels produced using 100% renewable energy. By adding post-consumer recycled plastic materials to our custom designs, we help our customers bring sustainable products to market. Moreover, we enhance our impact with eco-conscious solutions across sectors, including power-saving outdoor signage for mobility, paperless environment solutions for retail, and sustainable manufacturing practices. Together, we can forge a sustainable path ahead. Partner with AUO for solutions that enhance your business and protect the planet.